Capra, I want to drive it. You won't give it to
No,
me?
I will drive.
What Tom said was right.
No, man, I will
Just
drive.
change the color. Do one thing. You're changing the color. Here.
Okay, uncle, we'll change it. Black really looks good on it.
Then if we put 2 skulls in the front, it will be good.
Hey, I don't want that. Don't need anything.
Okay.
All right, uncle, then we'll leave.
Okay.
We'll take it to workshop.
Yes.
Hey, we'll drive the car. You come in that car.
Can I?
Oh my god. Oh, what is this? So much of dust.
What, man?
It's a small accident.
I can see it. How did it happen?
That is Stephen bro. When driving to some small boys threw the stones.
So you did not do anything?
No.
Should I believe it? You should have caught and slapped them.
No bro, they are all small kids.
So what? They are the ones turning into criminals. We should not leave them at any cost.
Let it go. Oh, finally he came.
Who is that?
This is our Tom's friend's vehicle. Do
Ah.
you know Tom?
I don't know. Okay, who is this by the way?
He's my friend Tony.
Ah.
Hey Tom, this is Stephen bro.
Stephen, brother, the car has to get repaired. And color has to be changed to black.
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 I'll change it to black. It will be nice.
Look should be good.
But should it be matte or glossy? Glossy will be good.
Gloss? Gloss?
Matte is enough.
Matte is okay.
In the front, I'll put 2 skulls. It will be nice.
We don't need, right?
No need of skull.
No need. No need of skull.
Don't want it?
Don't want.
Okay then. Did you break it? Don't break everything and don't get me started. First give me the amount. I'm working like a dog. It's better to find some other worker. Give my salary, I'll leave. He's torturing me a lot. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We'll start it in the next week.
That is fine. Then Stephen bro, with a small problem this happened like this. Not only the repair. If it is here, it will be safe, right?
Are you afraid?
No.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Don't worry. Leave now.
Hey, enough seeing. Come.
Get out,
Let's
man.
Go. Always like that only. Always
Leave
speaks
now.
like that. But
Go.
work will be superb.
Go out
For
quicker.
me, it's okay.
Capre, what should we do now?
Take this home, mix it with rice and then eat. Half mental fellow.
Go away, mad person. Is this Thomas's house? Did you see the notice board outside? Advocate K.R. Ishwaran. So it is not Thomas's house? I told you once, right? This is not. But they told me this is the place. He's actually into car business. Here to me, there's no Thomas. If you want, you can go inquire. Sir, do you stay here alone? I mean, do you have any children? Hey, can't you understand what I'm saying? Huh? Leave now. Come, buddy.
Shit.
Tom? Where did we meet first?
We first time saw in the mall, right?
No, I had seen you before that also.
Isn't she nice?
Hey, what is this?
Then what happened? Did you kiss her?
Che.
What, Che? What is the love without the kiss, man? What kind of love it is? It is platonic? Pure love, is it?
Yes.
Oh my god. Look over here, bro. It is 2016. Grow up. Huh? Oh no. Keep this over there. Did you pay the electricity bill?
Yes, paid. Kept the receipt here.
Where's the remaining?
The remaining.
It's here.
I forgot to pay the balance money.
Whenever you come here, 1,000 or 2,000 will be missing from the cash box. yeah, it will be missing.
What?
That he might have forgotten. Yeah. Nowadays, you are having memory loss. Sorry. Who are these people? From 2 days, they are roaming around here. Hey, it's them only, right? Is it them only, right?
Dad, there is an issue. Hello? I am here. Where are you?
I'm standing this side. You come here.
Which side are you? I asked you to come home, right?
I've got those photos that I took the other day.
Okay. I'm coming.
See here.
Where?
Here. Tom?
Don't be scared. Come.
Get the vehicle! Che!